Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download Firefox browser on your Honor X7. So to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Firefox. Now select this app and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Here we can customize it. You can change a theme, pick a toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up. You can also read the privacy notice, and when it's all done, click on Start Browsing, open a new website. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.